Good morning, everyone. This is me, ALIRAZA, and today I'm going to answer about how much money do YouTubers make. So it does. So most of the time, you will see it depends on country, depends upon several factors, blah 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 blah. But I'm going to be in detail about how much money YouTubers make. But before that, let me answer you a few of the questions. Often you will ask about how much YouTube actually pays. So YouTube doesn't provide anyone any fixed income. YouTube income is dependent upon various factors. For instance, the country, from which country you are getting your views, from niche, from timings, gender, age group, area of living, device you are using. I mean, there are so many factors. I was watching a video of Silicon Valley girl, and she has two channels, one in US and one in for Russian, and she compared the earning. Then she found like around 10 times the earning is different for the US channel were higher as compared to the her Russian channel, where 10 times the income was low. So she said that it also matters your language, from which country you are getting your visitors, and then what is your niche. It depends upon niche, which age group you are coming, and what kind of quality content they are you are creating, and how much your user is retaining to you, and how long your videos are there. And I mean, by retention, I mean how long visitors are staying on your videos. That matters a lot. And now moving on, what is an average YouTuber salary? Again, don't be confused. YouTube doesn't pay. Like just I told you, YouTube doesn't pay any fixed amount of money to YouTubers or vloggers. It depends on so many factors. But apart from Google AdSense, YouTubers can also earn money from collaborations, paid sponsorships, doing video reviews, selling their own stuff. If you have any own product or service, you can also sell that as well. And the question is, how much does YouTube pay you for 1 million views? So there's a vlogger whose name is Ali Abdallah, and as per his own experience, you can be paid from anywhere from $300 to a few $1,000, depends upon your CPM and from which country and your what's your niche is. I will show you his videos as well. And how much does YouTube pay per subscriber? YouTube doesn't pay per subscriber. YouTube does not pay you for any subscriber you have, but rather pay you based on your views, how much views you are getting, from which country your views are, how long your visitors are staying on your videos, and how much ads they are seeing on your YouTube videos. So the advantage of having YouTube subscribers is whenever you create a new video, they will get a notification that you have created a new video, and you can watch them, and that is how you can increase your views, and that is how you can increase your income. But there is no fixed way, like you are being paid for subscribers. Now moving on, the interesting and the most important part of this video, and that is YouTubers and vloggers income. For the past several days, I opened and watched several YouTubers and how much money they are making. I discussed and watched. For instance, let's say she is Alexis, and I was watching her videos, and she discussed about her 6 months earning on YouTube with her 8.5k subscribers. And she started saying that her earning from in January started from $200-300, and then slowly in February, March increased, and in March her income was like $1,400. But she went so happy, and she was so excited that she stopped working and rather enjoying it. So her earning went down in April, May and June, and so now she was now serious that she have to work again to earn money. So that is again very important part of earning money as a YouTuber online, is that you need to be consistent. You don't need to get too excited like I'm earning money. You can see let me show you her top part. I mean, see, she is also earning money through ads, and the ad is also being displayed here. You can see her January part and where she created, and let me show you that as well. Like she got 200 views in January and she was excited and she made good amount of money in January, and that is how her chart went up till March. But in March she actually went too excited, and that is how her demand started to come. So you have to be consistent with YouTube, and that was she was saying in her video. And then I was looking around and I was very surprised to see there is a famous guy, Ali Abdal, who is from UK and who made around 4700, like it's 47,90,000 or 4,000 47,90,000 views, income, $47,90,000 in 2021 through YouTube. That is a big income. People on the internet. And in this video he explained on different ways apart from YouTube he is earning. He told like he's earning around 1,30,000 from YouTube and $2 lakh from other sources through which he is earning. And upon deeper investigation, I came to know few of the things through which he is earning. So I saw his descriptions, and for instance, he is inviting to his part-time YouTuber academy, and he's charging people to teach YouTube. He's also earning money through this. He's also teaching courses, collaborating with other people, promoting their courses, promoting their products, earning affiliate income through that, sponsoring videos, charging for the sponsors. So he's actually earning a lot of money through YouTube. That was actually quite motivational for me, and I went deeper into his videos, and I came to know that he was earning only £11,000 in 2020, and it all started from 2017. And after getting 77 videos, one of his video, he was able to monetize his YouTube channel. So you can see 77 videos. After that, he was able to monetize his channel, and his 85th video gone viral, and that is how his online journey was. Actually, he's actually a doctor, but I'm just sharing you his experience. Like, it takes so much time to earn money as a YouTuber that it's not like you sleep and the next day you become a YouTuber and you are earning money a lot. So it takes a lot of time and patience, and that is how he started earning money online. And his earning was around in 2020 it was around 11,000 from in August or September, you probably see. And the first half of the 2020 was even lesser than that. And there came a time when he said that whatever I have earned in 2 to 3 years of YouTube, I earned 10% of that in 1 month. And that is how he started booming. He started increasing his earning. And one thing I learned from Ali Abdal was that you need to be consistent, and that is how you can earn money online. And that is a very wonderful tip he gave in his videos. Let me show you other examples as well. Now I was discussing about Garima. She is an Indian vlogger, and I was looking on his income streams of her Indian channel, and she said that the CPM varies from country to country, and I saw a huge difference between Ali Abdal and Garima's income stream. It's because Ali Abdal's mode of language is English, and Garima's is Hindi or Urdu, and she is targeting Indian users, Pakistani, Bangladesh, and local third world country users here. So I came to know the amount of income you get is actually varied from country to country, and again the topics to topics. Ali Abdal mostly talks about financial issues or money issues or income issues, but rather Garima talks about the places she visits. She got major views on her location. So actually she is a lifestyle blogger, so that is also different. So I also analyzed local Pakistani bloggers, Indian bloggers, and so came to know that it varies from so many factors. Another vlogger, Nugs, who actually created this video in April 2022, where he explained about his online earning, and he even showed like his RPM was $7.7. And let me show you, for 5 million views, 100,000. For 5 million views, he got $6,809 for 5 million views with a CPM of $7. $7 RPM is very good. RPM means revenue per 1,000 impressions, or how much money you earn per 1,000 views on your website, where it varies from country to country as a combination, as a mixture. His content is in English, but as far as I have seen local vloggers whose content is either in Urdu or in Hindi, it's usually from $0.23 till $1 to $2, the maximum amount of RPM they are paying. But with English content, the income is higher because your visitors or your followers are from native English countries such as UK, US, Australia, Canada, first-tier countries. So which is why your income varies from country to country, and also from niche to niche. Banking, financial niches have more income streams. If you are targeting younger students, if you are promoting or creating games and it is for students or people who cannot buy, obviously your CPM will be much lower. So it varies from again on so many factors. I'm just discussing with you on a few of the things which I think. And then again, I was looking on Silicon Valley girl and her income, and she shown her different videos and how much amount she made. But one of the things I liked from her video was she emphasized more on her subscribers, how much subscribers she got from each video. So your focus should be to how much subscribers you are adding on each video. That is also value, because they are going to get you money later on through your new videos. So every video you create, you do not earn through that video, but with the help of your old videos as well, because the old videos helped you by having more subscribers, and which actually eventually played a key role for your new video to earn money online. So again, that is also a factor as well. So you don't need to only focus on how much I'm being paid right now, but focus on your future and how much you can be paid. So your goal is not to earn good income through YouTube, but rather create a good community. And if you are able to create a good community on YouTube, you will be able to earn much money through YouTube by having them as your returning visitors. Because if you are able to create them as your recurring visitors, you don't need to worry for every time for promoting your video to new people, because your returning visitors will automatically promote your video. And with the help of algorithm, if YouTube thinks that your content is engaging for your old visitors, it will automatically show to the relevant people, and that is how you will eventually get new reach and you will be able to even rank your videos on YouTube. What I have seen is YouTube SEO works differently than Google SEO, and you will be able to rank your videos on YouTube just by giving an engaging and good content. And another thing that is much important, and that is consistency with YouTube. That is actually the need of the hour, or very important thing with YouTube, and that is how you can make good money through YouTube. I hope you like my video on how much YouTube pays you, how much YouTube pays as a YouTuber. I try to discuss on a few of the questions people ask on, and I also try to show you some of the vloggers on how much money do YouTubers make. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, comments or suggestions, you are more than welcome to write in the comments box, and I'm open to feedback. Thank you and bye bye.